In this video, you're going to learn how to set up an email address that uses your own domain name. Now, this is absolutely free to do with Bluehost, and the benefits of doing it are that your email is going to look more professional. It's easier for people to remember if you're saying it in a conversation, and it's going to be a lot more relevant if you're sending out newsletters and emails from your site. You can also use this process to set up, say, info at your domain or support at your domain, and that allows you to delegate work out to other people, can free up a lot of time for you, and also you can set up email addresses for other team members, and you'd be surprised at how something as simple as having a common email address can really make you feel like a team. So the steps to set this up are very simple. Firstly, log into your Bluehost portal. And if you don't have the link of that, check your email again that you would have got from registration. You can click straight through. Then you want to come down to email here in the sidebar. And what we want to do is go ahead and add an email account. So I'm just going to set one up, for example, as support@wpsetupdemo.com. Then you want to enter your password. Very simple. Make it something secure and just make sure that it's the same. And then you can go ahead and click create account. So now we can see that the account is being created. We can go ahead and view it. And what you can do now is go ahead and click access webmail. So this will bring you to your inbox. Essentially, it's the same as something like a Gmail inbox. And you need to choose a webmail application. Now, all of these are pretty much the same. There's no difference between them and they're all free. So you can just select that and come on in. And once you're inside, you're just going to see one email here, which just includes some details about your email account. Now, one thing you might want to do just for convenience is to set up any emails that arrive at this email address and forward it to maybe an email account that you check more regularly. So what we can do is come down to forwarders here. And what I'm going to do is forward any emails that I get. So I'm going to add a forwarder here and forward it from this account that I just set up, support@wpsetupdemo. And I'm going to forward it to my personal account. Let's just say that I check all the time. So that's all I simply need to do. And now anytime I get an email sent to support@wpsetupdemo, it'll forward to my personal account, which I check much more regularly, and then I can come back in and really respond to that email. So one thing you might be wondering is how many email accounts can you set up? And that really depends on the hosting package that you selected. So if you have the basic plan, you can get 5 email accounts. If you have the plus plan, then you can have unlimited email accounts. And that is the benefit, once again, of checking and selecting the plus plan. So to sum up, setting up an email account that uses your own domain name not only looks more professional, it's easier to remember, it's more relevant to readers when you're sending out newsletters, and it'll really allow you to delegate work to team members. So go ahead and set one up following the steps in this video. It's absolutely free to do with Bluehost.